Hey everyone, welcome back to another new exciting video. Google has dropped another new model and its name is Genie 3 and it is the most advanced world simulator model that ever created and it is enabled by numerous research breakthroughs. And this person, Logan Kilpatrick, he announced about this model 1 hour ago and now I am making this video. So if you want to get this kind of latest AI innovation, don't forget to subscribe this CodeDigit YouTube channel. So let's discuss about this Genie 3 model. What is the most advanced things that they have published? See, if I give you some of the scenarios, like you are playing one adventure game, or if you are playing one cricket games, or many of you have played that GTA 5 game also. Okay, so in GTA 5 you have seen that city, right? Or you have seen that the people who are actually running, it looks like real, right? The city, the car, the man who is running, it exactly looks real. And if you have played that cricket game also, the stadium and the player, they are getting the improved day by day, right? How is this possible? This is because of this advanced world simulator. Okay, that many organizations are actually making. They are doing numerous research, and after that, day by day, it is getting improved. And now this Genie 3 is the most advanced world simulator that is exist. And here you see that high fidelity visuals 20 to 24 fps, prompting on the go, world memory and more. And the most interesting thing that I have found, it is promptable event. This is the things that they have shared this video. I'll show you first this video, then you will understand. So if I play this video, promptable events, see this video. Here you see on the left hand side, it will write that prompt. Here you see a man with chicken suit is running. A man on a jet sky is running. A dragon is actually running. So here you see that when you are writing that prompt, real time it is updating that scenario. So your scene remains same. This is your scene. Okay, this is your scene. Okay, and when you are writing different prompts, this scene is getting updated in real time. How is that? Amazing, right? So here you see again. So when we have written this, a man in a chicken suit, okay, so it is not visible properly, but here you see a man in a chicken suit, and here you see that a man and chicken suit, his head is covering like a chicken suit, right? And again, when we are writing this, a man on a jet sky emerging, so here you see that a man on a jet sky emerging on this river. Okay, so real time it is getting updated. And again another, a dragon drives head first. So a dragon drives head first. Here you see so this scene is getting updated in real time, and this is the promptable events that they have discovered in this Genie 3. Okay, a new frontier for world model. And not only this, if you see that previously there was Genie 2 and also there is a Vio model, and this Genie 3 is currently. Genie 3 supports this 720 pixel video, and this has this control for the navigation and promptable world events. So this navigation is important, and here you can generate this multiple minutes video, and these are real time. So if I scroll down there, you will see this is the difference between this Genie 2 and Genie 3. So here you see that in case of Genie 3, the scenario, the environment, all are actually real time. So if you are running on a long horizon, here you see Genie 3 can generate consistent and interactive world over a long horizon. There is no limit. Genie 3 is saying that there is no limit. If you want to run, then please run. Okay, all the scenes that you see, that home and that road, okay, all that scenes, all the posters, all the lights, it will be created automatically, and this is this Genie 3 has does. Okay, this is the example. If I scroll down, here you see modeling physical properties of the world. Okay, here you see a boat is moving Our board, sometimes his board is moving left side, sometimes up side, sometimes on the right side. Here you see this is the control. This is the control that one person is doing. So I hope that you have seen this kind of control in game also. Okay, so in game also, whenever you are running, okay, you see that homes, that trees, that roads, that are getting that gets created automatically, right? And these things should be real. If you see that these things are real, like, so this jet sky during the festival of lights, these are exactly real. And here you see this video shows a first person perspective of someone navigating difficult, okay, difficult terrain in the middle of volcanic area. So this exactly looks real. And this is also real. Walking on a pavement in Florida next to a lane road from one side and the sea on the other. So here you see that from the left hand side sea is coming on over the road, and here you can do the control. So on which direction you want to go, on the left hand side or right hand side, or straight. And here you see, so sometimes we control that player movement, sometimes straight and below we show the road, okay, we show the player shoes. So this kind of real things you can create. This is a real world simulator. That's why they have used this term advanced world simulator that ever created. Okay, not only this, if I show you, this is another simulating the natural world, okay, like natural animal behavior, natural trees, animation and fiction also you can make. Sometimes we create some animation videos, right? And there, whenever we made that videos, the worlds that we create, it should looks the real, right? Here you see 3D world. If I scroll down here, you will find one interesting thing is that here you see one trees that they have created. This is trees, right? And whenever we are changing the movement from left to right, right to left, and straight to top to bottom, we are changing that movement. But here you see that the trees are visible. So if I go to these trees, whenever we are going closer to the trees is there, and whenever we are coming away from that trees, that trees is already there, visible. It is not getting blur, or it is not getting removed from the view. Okay, whenever we are going to the closer, it is visible properly. Whenever we are coming away from that trees, it is getting blur, but tree is there, it is not going out of view. Okay, this is the consistency that they have fixed. And if you see that there is some of the example that they have given, like if I show you, here you see this is the goal. You have to go to this walk to the glass case. Okay, if I play, here you see these are the goals that they have shared. You can play it. I have given this link in description, so go there and check its ability. There are different garden, market, and museum, all of the scenarios or environments that they have given. So if you just want to approach that mammoth, so here you see it is going to that mammoth only. Okay, and these are the scenarios, and they have written these things that choose the world setting, then pick a goal you would like an agent to achieve, and how, and watch how it accomplishes that. And another interesting thing is that, like any other environment, Genie 3 is not aware of that agent's goal. Instead, it simulates the future based on the agent's action. Okay, it is very interesting. So I hope you got the idea that it will help us a lot, because sometimes when we are teaching in education system also, if you see that we want to create some real world simulator, right? Suppose you are studying that Newton's third law, or you are studying that waves vibration. So in that case we create that simulation, right? Like in class 12 there is chapter waves in physics. Okay, so that transverse waves and this kind of waves, how its particles get up and down. Okay, and electromagnetic waves, there is a electric field, magnetic field. So that kind of real world scenario or simulation that we can create with the help of Genie 3 in a more efficient way. So that's why this model is very important. And not only this education system, it will also improve our gaming, and also it will improve in all areas, not only gaming and education, in all areas it will improve. Because um, you see that how a object can detect means how a AI can detect any specific object. In that case also this type of Genie 3 is very helpful. Okay, so I hope you found this video helpful, guys. You got to know many things from this video. And if you found helpful, please don't forget to subscribe this channel. Please don't forget to like this video. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.